Jammu and Kashmir under-20 hockey coach has been arrested for allegedly misbehaving with the Punjab team members while they were on their way to Hyderabad. The women's under-20 Punjab players along with the Jammu and Kashmir players were on a train when the incident took place.
There were 5 girls from Punjab who had played for the J&K team who were unwilling to accompany the coach on the return journey. I also found that there was no lady accompanying them. So when I inquired further, I came to know that the girls complained of sexual harassment on the way. They said they boarded the train at Nizamuddin and all on the way because they had unconfirmed seats and they had no place to sit. They were being fondled and he sexually assaulted them, and he was misbehaving throughout. And they resisted him because luckily for them, the 13 Jammu players who were accompanying this Angad Singh and the manager from Jammu, they ran away at Nizamuddin railway station without boarding the train. Taking advantage of the melee at the railway station, they ran away. Because they alerted these girls that we are going away. This is a horrible person to be with. We have registered a case of molestation and of coercion, of threatening. The 2 cases we've registered, under 2 sections of law, 354 IPC and 506 IPC.
Deepthi joining us live. Deepthi, last reported they had picked up the coach who was on a Delhi-bound train. Has he been brought back to Hyderabad?
That is right. Coach Angad Singh has been apprehended while he was on a train on his way from Hyderabad to New Delhi on an AP Express at Ramagundam, just a border of AP. He's been brought back to Hyderabad by the state police here, and he is likely to be produced before the court under the sections of 354 and 506, molestation and intimidating. We have heard the Additional Director General speaking a while ago and explaining how the whole thing has been happening, and they are now investigating as to why there was no women manager with the team, and they're also writing a letter to the federation seeking recommending that the coach Angad Singh should be barred for life and should not be allowed or should not be participated to give any active role in further sports in hockey or in any other sport.
Now, have you been able to contact any of the players who actually first lodged this complaint, Deepthi? Any word from the under-20 hockey players?
The hockey team was started here in Hyderabad. The hockey championships were here in Hyderabad from 10th to 16th of this month, and this team was supposed to be playing with the Jammu and Kashmir team. Five players from Punjab who belong to a private club from Punjab were to be playing with the Jammu and Kashmir team. However, what we understand is that the team lost the match on the opening day, and the team was supposed to be returning to their respective places. That is when the whole incident came to light. However, what we understand is that the players belong to the age group, are all minors, and we could not speak directly to them. But however, what we understand through our sources is that the girls are quite disturbed with the whole incident, and now they are the police officials and the federation here in Hyderabad are giving them support and moral support to see that they get back to their respective places and see that everything is back to normal with them.
Thanks for that, Deepthi.